Software Basics. Start menus. First, what is software? Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. A self-contained piece of software is known as a program. Let's break down two starting programs, or menus. A start menu is a program that locates and lists other programs in the computer. These are both start menu pictures from Windows and Macintosh. Why does the same program look different? Windows and Macintosh are like similar restaurants. Like the difference between a Big Mac and a Whopper. There may be some differences, but these are both, functionally, burgers. Let's begin with the Windows Start menu. To find the Start menu, we must look at the desktop. The desktop is your computer's starting place. The Start menu can be found at the bottom left-hand corner. To open, click the Windows icon, represented by 4 panels slanted. An image that represents a program is called an icon. The left side column has all of your programs in alphabetical order. Confused? Just enter the program you're looking for in the search bar. Like different restaurants, Macintosh has different names for similar programs. It doesn't have a start menu per se, but it has several search programs that fill the same function. The name of Mac's search program is called Spotlight, and it looks like a magnifying glass. You can find it on the top right-hand corner of your desktop. Spotlight will open a search bar that can search both on your computer and on the internet. These top results are saved on the computer. Down below, these results are on the internet. Now, you're ready to explore. Questions? Find this and more tutorials in the video description below or at www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.